How to delete recent designs in Canva. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Canva app on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen, and under the Recent Designs tab, you will see all your recent designs. Simply tap on the three dots beside the design you want to delete. You will then see the option for Move to Trash. Tap on that, and with this, the design will be moved to trash. If you want to restore the design at some point, then you can open your trash and recover your designs, or you can also permanently delete the design from your Canva from the trash tab itself. So this is how you can delete recent designs in Canva. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.